Barbecue.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz. Today is a cold, cold day, and I'm wearing shorts. I don't know if you can see that. I'm wearing shorts. It's been in the 70s, late upper 70s all week long. My kids are over here playing, so if you hear them, I apologize. But today we got to do some meal prep. So I've started the carnivore diet. It's going pretty well. I'm 3 weeks in. I got about 14 pounds down now, so we're going to keep going with it. So today, my recipe for this video is going to be pretty basic, pretty simple. This is what I'm going to make for my meal prep for this week. I'm going to cook some chicken up. We're going to shred the chicken. I got a little shredder thing. You ever seen these? Hold on, let's see if I can get it with my one hand here. This is a little chicken shredder. You put your little piece of chicken in there, you push it back and forth, shred your chicken. If you don't have one, go to Amazon. These things are great. Not endorsed or nothing, not sponsored by this product, but it's a great product. So we're gonna shred the chicken. I have 2 of these beef shaved steaks. Those beef shaved steaks packets, we're gonna cook those up in a pan on the grill, and then we're gonna do that second after we do our chicken, and then we're gonna put the steak in, we're gonna cook it up, and then we're gonna put it all together, and then we're gonna coat it all with some taco seasoning, and basically make a meat taco seasoning pie, if you will. I don't know what I want to call this. I haven't decided what I want to call this yet. But so basically on this carnivore diet, I have to eat meat. That's the only thing I can eat. Meat. Nothing else. Meat, cheese, animal byproduct, no vegetables, no fruits, no nothing, no whatever. It's just meat. It's working really well. I like it. I'm a meat eater, so I love this diet so far. Hopefully I don't get tired of eating meat, but so far it's working pretty good. But we're going to get all this chicken cooked up, and basically for my meal every night, I'm basically going to have like a taco meat pie, whatever you want to call it. I can throw some cheese on it, some sour cream. Just can't put any like tortilla shells or corn chips or anything like that in there. But it's all meat, so I think it'll be alright. I think it's going to be good. I decided I was going to take some sour cream, add a little taco seasoning to it, make a little creme fresca or something, I think is what they call it, but whatever. So let's go. I got the grill fired up. It's super windy, super cold, so I got the garage door down right now. But the grill's fired up, getting ready to go. We got to get the chicken seasoned and get it slapped on and get it cooked up. And then we'll cook the beef, and then we'll put everything together. So let's get after it. Alright, we're going to put this chicken on. I got the B&B charcoal in here today, which is my absolute favorite charcoal of all time. And I got it. I have some. I found some local. So we're going to get this chicken put on. I do apologize if the wind noise comes through. It's super windy and cold out here. I should not be wearing shorts. Alright, well, we'll save those. We'll just go ahead and start throwing this chicken on. Yeah, we'll take that little piece off. There we go. Yeah, why not? Chicken placement's always something that I'm concerned with, but for some reason when I actually go through and put my chicken on the grill, I'm never really concerned. Just want to make sure it all gets on there. This one's probably going to have to be flipped on later, but that's fine. Put the lid back on. Boom. Get this sucker pulled up. Just like that. piece on top. Twist it. And give it a few twists. And kind of move it around a little bit. Make sure it all gets good and twisted. So look at that. It's out pretty good. We're going to kind of pull a little bit here, but look at that. All pulled up. All right, part 2. Let's see how this goes. Put our pan right there. Throw some oil in it. The old cast iron. Ain't nothing but a thing. Maybe. A shaved steak. Should ought to be heating up pretty quick here. Throw a little bit of Cosmos, oh here, Cosmos Q, little Texas beef. Just gonna give it a good amount. There we go. Stir it up a little. Sprinkle just a little bit more on there. Alright, throw the lid back on for a few seconds. Let it warm up. Alright, that didn't work so well. Alright, so now that we got our beef browned up, our chicken's cooked, we're going to put our chicken back in the pan and we're going to add a little bit of this Malcolm's Grande Gringo, and that's going to be our Mexican seasoning for our taco meat. And we're also going to throw a little water back in the pan. We'll make it so it all kind of sits in there and just gets all that juice and just soaks that Mexican seasoning into the chicken and the beef. And that's going to be what I'm going to eat all week long. I'm going to put it all, I'm going to mix it up, put some little containers out. I'm gonna separate everything out and you know, have about 5 days worth of supper just eating chicken and beef, and it'll be like taco seasoned, and throw a little cheese, throw a little sour cream on it. Gonna be awesome. So let's get the chicken mixed in with the beef, get the seasoning on it, and get this cooked up. Alright, throw some water in it. Maybe, if I can get the water bottle open. That would keep everything from drying out. And then, start mixing our seasonings in. Don't be afraid to season up your chicken and your meat here. Seasoning's going to be your best friend and when it comes to a taco meat. A little more seasoning. Don't be afraid to season your meat, especially when it comes to Mexican taco seasoning. Alright guys, check it out. Woo-wee. Doesn't that look good? That's some good looking taco meat. I know you guys probably can't see it. Here, hold on, check this out. Alright, check that out. What does that look like to you? Does it look like some good taco meat? You got a lot of beef and some chicken in there. Looks pretty good. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take a little taste test here. Hopefully let it cool off a little bit. Got a piece of chicken, piece of beef, got that taco seasoning on here. Let's give it a shot. Oh man. Oh, killer. Can't wait to eat this all week. Alright guys, we're gonna pull this off. My little handles on it. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and dip this out. That way I can have these for the week. Here, I'm gonna put a little bit of the sauce in with each one too. Alright guys, so if you can see this behind me here, that is my meal prep for the week. Like I said, just gonna put a little cheese, some sour cream on it, whatever, a little taco sauce or something, and that's it. That's all I'm eating all week long. That's my suppers all week long. Now for breakfast, I have just like a sausage and bacon in a little bowl, and that's what I eat for breakfast. So in the microwave in the morning for a minute, hop in the truck, eat it on the way to work. A little sausage, a little bacon, and that's it. That's all I have pretty much all day long. So if I get hungry, I have some beef sticks and I have some mozzarella sticks. All that stuff I can eat. You know, just some basic stuff. You just, you know, the Slim Jims and things like that, you can have all that kind of stuff. Just, it has to be meat, it has to be cheese, it has to be eggs, stuff like that. Basically meat or meat byproducts. So anyway, enough on the diet. I just wanted to show you kind of what I was doing. I think it's pretty cool. I really like this diet. It's really working for me. So we're going to keep going. We're going to see how far I can go on this diet. So anyway, we'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at NewbieQ2020, TikTok at NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue, and hit that like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week. Peace.